What you talking about, man?
Are you sure you can do this?
You paid me already, right?
You sure you can do the job,
Nigga,
man?
what? Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
All right, pimpin'.
What? A pimp do a lot of shit out here. A pimp do a
All
lot
right,
of shit out here, bro. Get the car started. Go ahead, get up in there and see if you can start it.
All right, man. You got me done already?
Yeah, we'll take 4 minutes.
4 minutes. Oh, I'm in. Pimpin', see, that's why I fuck with you. It ain't starting.
It ain't starting. It ain't starting.
It ain't starting.
Let me get up for a minute. Let me show you something. Let me show you something.
Man, it ain't starting, bro.
Let me show you something. Let me show you something.
Hey, come back here with my money, Nick.